Fixing personal hotspot if it keeps disconnecting on your iPhone is quick and easy. I'll walk you through the steps, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's first head into your settings here and tap on personal hotspot. The first thing you can do is, if it is on already, toggle it off for a few seconds and then toggle it back on just to reinitiate it. You also want to scroll down and turn on maximize compatibility. This is especially good for other devices that are not iPhones, iPads, or Mac computers. Any other device that is not an Apple device, you want to make sure this is turned on. The next thing we'll do is we'll go back to the beginning, tap on battery, and make sure low power mode is turned off. After we've done that, we also want to go back to the beginning and tap on cellular here. From here, you can see if I scroll down a bunch of information about what I used, but you can see Wi-Fi assist. This will automatically switch from cellular over to Wi-Fi. I want to make sure this is toggled off, essentially to prevent Wi-Fi from just disconnecting and reconnecting again and kicking me off personal hotspot. The next thing we will do is go back to the beginning, tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and hit shutdown at the very bottom. It sounds simple, but you'd be surprised how many times just turning your phone off and then restarting it fixes a lot of bugs and issues on your iPhone. The last thing I would recommend doing is swiping down from the top right and just turning on airplane mode to disconnect from your cellular service and your data, and then just toggle it back off to reconnect and basically reconnect to that personal hotspot, and you should be good to go.